Friends, if you are not getting the notification of my new video, you need to do few changes. You can see the bell on the right hand side which is below my channel name. You need to click on that. After you click on that, you will get this option, turn on notifications. You need to click on turn on, and then you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks. चले
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
नागपुर। Good afternoon friends, how are you all? This is Adi and I'm back with another video. And today is 24th of October and the time right now is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And today I'm going for my first long trip. And first long trip is from Mumbai to Nagpur. And I'm going with Raju bhai. Hi to bol do.
Hi. Hi guys.
You're not coming, where are you? Here.
Coming? Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi,
Yeah,
hi,
good
hi.
afternoon. So we are going to Nagpur right now. It's 2 o'clock and the distance from Mumbai to Nagpur is around approximately 900 kilometers, and by Google Map it's saying it will take around 15 hours to reach Nagpur. So right now it's 2 o'clock. Let's see at what time we reach Nagpur. So come along with us. So friends, I'm putting the trip to 0 now, so that we'll have an idea that how much kilometer it takes to reach Nagpur. So friends, finally we have started our journey and we have taken this Ghodbunder route. From Ghodbunder we will head towards Kalyan, and after Kalyan, Kasara, Nasik, and from Nasik we will go to Dhule, and from Dhule we have to take a right for Nagpur. So after we take a right, then we will cross Jalgaon, Akola, Amravati, and after that Nagpur. So Raju bhai, आपका क्या ख्याल है इस ट्रिप के बारे में?
इस ट्रिप के बारे में सुन के मैं इतना एक्साइटमेंट हूँ. मैं चाहता हूँ कब पहुँचे नागपुर. तो आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटमेंट. वेरी मच एक्साइटेड. वेरी मच एक्साइटेड.
ईडी आप हमेशा भूल जाते हैं.
हाँ, एक्साइटेड. वेरी मच एक्साइटेड. गुड.
So I'll tell you the expenses of my journey. I fueled the diesel for rupees 1860. My diesel tank is full now. Besides that, I purchased 10 bottles, 1 liter bottles, and one bottle was for around 10 rupees. I know it's 20 rupees, but I got for 10 rupees from DMart. So 100 rupees for water. So we crossed 2 toll nakas till now, and for the first toll naka we paid 30 rupees and for the second one we paid 100 rupees. So total is 130 rupees. So आगे जैसे हम बढ़ेंगे, I'll tell you the total expense made by me, so that you will have a better idea कि नागपुर जाने तक total कितना खर्चा होता है if you go by car. So we have covered around 100 kilometers now friends, and Kasara Ghat has started. The time is 5:10 now. So now Raju bhai wants to have tea, as he said.
So this is very Nalla, sir.
Nalla dhaba?
Nalla dhaba, sir. Not good, sir. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
See, something is cooking there.
अरे sir.
कुछ बन रहा है लगता है.
अरे कोई भी बन रहा हो, sir. It is not interesting.
ये आगे जाए?
आगे देखते हैं कि ये तो नल्ला लग रहा है, sir.
Sir, what is the meaning of nalla?
Nalla means sir बहुत खराब.
अच्छा, nalla means बहुत खराब. So friends, this is the third toll naka now, and we have covered around 183 kilometers till now, and the time is 7:10 in the evening. So we just crossed Nasik. See how much we'll have to pay here. So we paid 125 rupees for this third toll plaza.
Oh, थक गया भाई. आदि भाई ने ऐसा गाड़ी चलाया, पूरी रात की थकावट. मुझे तो इतनी खुशी हो रही है, लेकिन मैं थक चुका हूँ आदि भाई.
कितना है? अभी आगे चलेगा? चलेगा? So friends, right now we took a right turn from the flyover, and now we have to go straight to Nagpur. And you can see on this board also, I'll show you the board. See, it's written Nagpur straight. And we have covered around 313 kilometers, and the time is 9:30 in the night. And according to GPS, it's showing 8 hours more to go. So let's see, now we will have our dinner, and I'll catch you there. This is
दाल तड़का.
tandoori roti.
This is Anand specialty.
Saved tomato.
Anand specialty. Outstanding bro, outstanding. क्या खाना है सर?
We have reached Bhusawal, and right now it's 1 o'clock in the night, and we have completed around 430 kilometers. So as per the GPRS, more 400 kilometers to go. फेकारी टोल, नाम भी क्या है? फेकारी टोल. हाँ, फेंक दो इस टोल को. फेकारी टोल कितनी है? 10 रुपए. So 10 rupees for this toll naka. So finally we got a place to drink tea, and आप भी चाय पियोगे राजू भाई?
सर मैं इतना थक चुका हूँ सर, मेरे से ज़्यादा तो आप थके हुए हो सर. कैसा चलेगा सर?
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं थका हूँ. 5 in the morning. It's 5 in the morning, and we have covered 600 kilometers, more 250 kilometers to go. And as per the GPRS, it's showing that I'll reach Nagpur at around 9 o'clock, but I'll try to reach as soon as possible. And about the situation of the sleep is that I'm actually, to be honest, I'm feeling sleepy, not that much, but thoda bahut to neend aa hi rahi hai. And about Raju bhai,
सर एक बात सुनो, जो आदमी का तबीयत खराब हो और पूरा दिन सोने को नहीं मिला, तो उसके खर्राटे के अलावा क्या आएगा, ये तो बताइए आप.
So where are we right now? We are near Akola. Actually we are at Akola, and after Akola, Amravati will come, and after Amravati, Nagpur. So that's full of oranges. That means we are near Nagpur city. It's right now it's 7:30 in the morning, and more 150 kilometers to go. So let's go. कितना है? ये आखिरी है नागपुर के लिए कि इसके आगे भी है कोई और नागपुर के लिए? So more 3 toll plazas to go before we enter Nagpur. ये लो. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, finally after a long time, finally we have arrived at Nagpur, and the time right now is 9:50 AM in the morning, and the distance we have covered is 831 kilometers. So it's been a very good journey for me. I mean, I know it's a tiring journey, but it's a very good journey. So about the total expense of this trip and 0 mile, which I told you about Nagpur, that I'm gonna discuss with you in a short while.